Soft wind moving through the trees, whispers carried on a cautious breeze. Tiny heartbeat in the fading light, holding still, staying out of sight. Shadows shifting on the forest floor, listening close for something more. Breathing slow beneath the sky, watching as the moments pass by. In the hush beneath the branches alone, where the timid hearts and quiet spirits go, there's a place where stillness learns to stay, waiting for the world to move away. Golden leaves beneath small feet, echoes of the distant beat. Every rustle in the air, every thought of what is there. Gentle instincts guiding near, drawing close to what feels clear, holding space until it's time to step back out of the borderline. In the hush beneath the branches low, where the timid hearts and quiet spirits go, there's a place where stillness learns to stay,